Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can find a forgotten Instagram password on your iPhone. So let's get started. If you've forgotten your password, there are two places you can check to see if it was previously saved. First, go to your iPhone home screen and swipe down to open the search bar. Search for passwords and open the Passwords app. You may need to enter your iPhone passcode or use Face ID to unlock it. Once you're inside, use the search bar and type Instagram. If your Instagram account appears, tap on it and select the password field to reveal the saved password. If you can't find it there, you can also check your Google Password Manager. Open a browser like Chrome or Safari and go to Google. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Then, tap your profile icon and select Manage your Google account. Go to Security and find Password Manager. Open it and search for Instagram. If Instagram appears in your saved passwords, select it and verify your identity if required. You can then view the saved password. If the password wasn't saved in either location, you'll need to use Instagram's password reset option to create a new one. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.